Fellas, this is Steve at Subthump, and today I want to go over and show you one of our first what we call lift kit boxes for the new GM crew cabs. We're also doing some of these for the new Ford Super Crew cabs. But as you can see, we've got two massive 8-inch subs that we can fit in here. Subs like 8W7s, Sundowns, Scars, things like that don't necessarily fit in our other box. So what we did is we actually raised the box up, which means you'll have to use a lift kit on the seat, but that gives you a whole bunch more space to use larger subs that can really pound. You can really pour the power to them. And on this side we've got the port, which is spec'd out to the subs are actually going to be used in that truck. So the port's going to vary every time if you're using a JL or a Scar or a Sundown, which Sundown's real popular. But take a look at the construction of the box. We're using 3/4 inch MDF through and through. It's glued, it's screwed, it's stapled. Extra long screws. Heavy MDF. You can see, look inside here, you can see some of the bracing. There's actually a brace between the speakers. It's hollowed out. Kind of look inside. You can see maybe some of the attributes inside the box. You're looking at the center divider right in the middle of the box. There's the top of the terminal. We'll go down here. Massive port, to pick up for two subs. I actually fit my whole phone down in the port. It's kind of cool. So that just shows you, some of the things that we're doing that other places can't do or are not doing. But I think this is going to be a huge box for us. I think it's going to be well received and going to be very popular. So check it out, subthump.com.